Welcome back to my channel, guys, and this is Gunbay channel. Before we start, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, today we will gonna unbox this metal Beyblade. This is Basalt Horoguim from Rapidity. I just purchased it in the market here in my country, here in the Philippines. So this is the side, as you can see, the side. The combo supposed to be, and the other side. So let's open up this. I hope you like my videos. Please leave like and subscribe. So this is the content of the box. First, the default launcher. Next, the clear wheel and the metal frame with the face bolt. It is tattooed face bolt. So let's open it. This is a bootleg Beyblade, aka also known as fake Beyblades, but it has a good quality. Alright, this is the metal frame. This is the clear wheel. This is the face bolt. I hope you can see the face bolt. Okay. Next is the strap and the bottom, and also the tool. I think we didn't get the right combo, but it's okay. It's a bootleg Beyblade. It's understandable. So this is the combo what we get. Here's the track. This is the tip, and this is the extra tip. It's made from metal also. So as of now, I don't have the Takara version, but after this crisis on our world, the pandemic, I'll buy a Takara version of this Beyblade and compare it just to show you guys. So this is the clear wheel, metal frame at the back, the track, the face bolt, the extra track, the bottom, and the extra tip made from metal. So let's build it. I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one. Let's use the tool to tighten the face bolt. And then I'll use this clear tip. Let's use again the... Alright, it's locked. So there you have it. I already built it. It's pretty heavy. Soon I will gonna make a battle video of this. Alright. Please comment down below. So what suggest uh, what suggestion you want on my channel, on our channel. Okay, so there you have it, Basalt Horoguim from Rapidity. From Rapidity. So thank you guys for watching. Before I go, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is Gunbait channel, and see you soon, and see you on my next vlog video. So thank you guys for supporting my channel. So thank you again.